Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cancel a PayPal send money transaction. You can only cancel a payment if it is in a pending state, meaning the recipient has not yet accepted or claimed the funds. This is the one and only way to directly cancel a payment you have sent. Act quickly, as the window for a pending status can be quite short. You will need to log into your account right away. Once you are logged into your PayPal account, proceed to your activity section. Carefully review your recent transactions to locate the specific payment you want to reverse. If the payment status clearly states pending or unclaimed, you will find an option to cancel it. Click this button, then follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. The funds should then be returned to your PayPal balance or original payment method. Should your payment already show a completed status, direct cancellation via your account is unfortunately not an option. In this scenario, your first step should be to reach out to the recipient immediately to politely request they send the money back to you. If that attempt proves unsuccessful, you might need to explore opening a dispute through PayPal's Resolution Center, although this process differs from a direct cancellation. To prevent future cancellation needs, always verify recipient information with extreme care before hitting that send button. Remember, the window for direct cancellation is extremely narrow, solely applying to payments that are still pending or unclaimed. Once the recipient accepts the funds, your options for recovery become significantly more complex, relying primarily on their willingness to refund your payment or a dispute process. Stay vigilant with your transactions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.